welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. In this chapter, I'm going to be discussing local histogram transformation. Let's go up here, process, all processes, and local histogram equalization. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up that range mask again. And we're going to want to protect our stars for the most part, some of the brighter areas. So let's just go ahead and apply that. Show it just to make sure. Yep. And we're going to start with 64. Contrast limit, let's drop that to a 1.5. And amount, I'm going to leave it a 1 for now. Actually, let me drop that down to an 8. And let's open up a preview. If I bump this all the way up, doesn't seem to be doing much, does it? I'm not seeing a little spin. Okay, now we're seeing some changes. Let's drop this back down to 1.5, 2. I don't like those rings. Let's do 1.8. .9, 2, 1.9. Okay, so let's go to 128 on that. Ooh. That's kind of ugly. 8, 5, 1.3, 1.2, let's change this to a 0.8. And I think I'm gonna like that right there. So let's close out the preview and apply it. Alright, so we see some ringing around these stars, and I do not like that. So let's drop this back down to 64. Undo. And let's redo that. Alright, still getting the ringing, don't like that, so back out. Open up that preview again. Let's try that one. Let's apply it and see what we get. Okay. It's singing the ringing, so let's back up. Let's redo. Yeah, seeing a little bit of ringing. No, this one's not doing what I want it to do, so we'll just go ahead and pop this down here. Try one more thing. Let's try that one. Okay, let's see what this did. So let's undo. Redo. Okay. Kind of like that right there, so we'll just go ahead, we'll delete this one. Create a new one. LHE. Pop that over there and close this out. Remove the mask. Save it. And that does it for this chapter. Yep. All right. So thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell, and as always, clear skies. Have a good one.